So the first I am saying this tele from the RTOs we can get the information about the status of the circuit breakers and switches. So this data, circuit breaker or switch data, we in power system we have two types of data. Number one, digital. Here I will write digital data, and second is analog data. What is digital data? Digital data means either 0 or 1. Okay, 0 or 1. So this type of data means it will give us about the status of circuit breaker and status of isolator and switches. Okay, it will give us information about the status of circuit breaker and status of isolator or switches. If the circuit breaker is on, if the circuit breaker or isolator is on, means we will get one signal, and if the status of the circuit breaker or isolator is off, then we will get zero signal. Okay, means high or low. What is analog data? Analog data means it will give us different magnitudes. So it will give us the value of voltage, value of current, value of rotor angle delta, value of frequency f. So all these come under analog data. Okay. So here I was saying first I am taking about the status of circuit breaker and switches through telemetry. So this data is the input to the network topology. And also this network topology, the data to this network topology, it comes from the base system data. Okay, base system data means we are saying, okay, initially we are saying that suppose our system is operating under normal state. Okay, so we have some, we will get some bus admittance matrix. You know about the bus admittance matrix, Y bus. Okay, so you know if there is any change in any network of any element of this your power system, whether you switch on this capacitor bank, or you or there is any fault in the system, or there is load change in the system, this elements of this Y bus matrix, that is called bus admittance matrix, its element changes. It is a matrix, so any element of that matrix it can change. Okay, if there is slight change, it is not important always necessary that all the elements of that matrix will change, but one or two elements will change. If if even one element will change, then we will say that there is change in network topology. Okay, so I am sending this circuit breaker switch status to this network topology data, and it is also getting data from this base system data. So based on this and this, it will calculate its bus admittance matrix, Y bus. Okay, so this data will go to the state estimation block. State estimation block. Now this state estimation block, it will measure the power system states. That is, it will measure the value of the V and delta, okay, at every instant, and with the help of this V and delta we will calculate the other quantities like power flows, power active and reactive power flow in the line, limit violation, voltage limit violation, or line loading limit violation. We can check it like this, from this. So but this system data, it also needs